Okay.
Good morning.
Day 2? 3? 3. Day 3.
We're going on a hike to a waterfall. We'll update you on the name of the waterfall because I think we narrowed it down to 2.
There's 2 different waterfalls?
But we're going to 1. It starts with an L and I'm blanking on the name of it. I think it's no, it's not Lanoa. And then after that we're going to drive to North Shore, figure out a beach to go to, and then do some food trucks, and then hopefully find some fireworks.
And
there.
Zippies. We're gonna go to Zippies.
I don't know if we're going to Zippies.
We gotta go to Zippies. It's McDonald's of Hawaii.
It's like 3.5 stars. I don't really care to go.
No, it's
like
part of the
3 stars.
experience.
No.
Babe, it's part of the experience. Please, please,
We'll see.
please,
We'll see.
please.
We'll see. Good. My butt fits here. I couldn't fit that way. My butt's too big. Also, Eric's feet are there.
Eric.
Country road.
Take me home.
Whoa. You ready?
You better sell pineapple by the bottom.
This is an unmarked trail. It's not official.
Whoa.
So we're gonna be in the wild, Tommy.
We're going off the grid.
Off the grid.
Are you serious?
Yes!
Why are we going to some place that's unmarked territory?
Because everyone says it's good.
But how do you get, if other people have been there, how did they get there? Yeah.
Because it's like, since so many people have gone, a trail has been made by the people that already been.
So we can just follow that trail.
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die! Wait, if the phone is facing this way, but the car is facing this way, does it affect the GPS?
No, you don't have to turn.
So do I need to turn the phone this? Oh, it didn't do anything. No, yeah, it did.
My gosh.
What? It is a
It's
good
not
question.
a great question.
One way.
Oh God. I don't understand it. But then I don't know whether or not to tell him my left or my right.
Okay, imagine you are this car. Imagine you are this car. You're going forward towards that
Make
arrow.
a left on Kalaimoku.
Yes, that is still correct.
That doesn't seem right.
That is right. All right, tell him
Can
right.
you make a
and see what
left?
happens.
Daddy, can you make a left?
Oh, it's
He says no.
Yes.
there, but not
Có mày lớn
now.
quá vì mày làm em bà đi nhức đầu.
Yeah.
Oh, Idaho.
$2.94 for gas.
Hawaiian money.
Hawaiian money.
Hawaiian Road. Take me home.
To the station
Lên đây.
with the cheapest gas. I'm going to hike for a waterfall. Oh man, these people look like they know what they're doing. Let's follow them. Oh, it's just all mud. Why did I wear white shoes? Did somebody drop a pin or no?
Nope.
So far we should be good. I think we'll just wait till the road diverges. We lost them. We lost the people who know what they're doing. They're gone now?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It diverged.
It did already?
Yeah.
When? I didn't... Wait, so should we have dropped a pin? How are we gonna get home? Whoa!
King Kong and Tarzan.
Oh my gosh.
Stand right here, take picture, looks so cool.
Fix or it didn't happen.
What?
Smile like Tarzan and King Kong movie.
shot of my shoes real quick?
Oh yeah, loving them hard.
Whichever way you want, they lead to the same spot.
They
Yeah.
do?
Okay.
We Gucci, just
Eric,
watch your
let's have a
ankles.
competition about whose shoes are cleaner by the end of it.
I lost.
I definitely lost. I went foot first into the water. I like how Eric's having to figure everything out first.
Oh, gotta hop over this. Is it not that way?
Eric,
Remember you said we had to make a left somewhere.
But we
that was on the other side.
I know, but we could have, if we would have kept walking through, this would be more sense,
I don't know. I don't think this is. Oh wait, does it cut to the right?
right? Go this way?
Oh no. Oh gosh. If you're seeing this, we didn't make it.
what? No, if you're seeing this, you did make it.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if I should cross there.
Oh gosh.
I don't know if we should going down here.
Do you want to go
Alright,
down
YOLO?
this way?
Is it steep, Eric?
I think we should go back and cross over there.
Yeah.
It's a little less steep.
Well, are you doing that? Can you take my phone?
Okay, be careful.
Okay.
All right, we've split up at this point. If this was a horror movie, we made the first big mistake. But we split up. They're taking a steeper route, and we're gonna cross a little more safely. Safely. Over this way.
Oh, this
we
is
joined
where
back
San
up.
go too.
We made it. We crossed to that. Oh man.
It's not just
Oh gosh, I'm about to fall. Oh, we made it here.
It's more. This isn't it.
Oh gosh. There's
This
more.
is a creek.
This is part of the waterfall. We saw part of it. Let's go.
No.
Don't look here. I think you should go.
How many minutes are we in?
We've probably been doing this for maybe 20, 30 minutes.
20, 30 minutes.
Is my guess. Well, we've been here for at least.
I think we're pretty close. I love this little stream that's going on. All these rocks. All right, I think we're charging forward.
Under this tree, we were kind of in a traffic jam, waiting for people.
Look at how pretty. You know, your fans, and they appreciate it.
You need a hand? Look at you. Yeah. You're a woman of nature. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're almost there. Watch your leg. All right, you did it. Nice. Let's keep going. There's more. Gosh, we made it. We made it. We freaking made it. Eric, we did it.
You did it, my man.
Oh my gosh, where'd it go? Wow. All right, whose shoes are dirtier? I think you win, dude.
Do I?
Yours are cleaner than mine.
Oh, I think so.
Dang it.
It's okay. All for the sake of living.
For the sake of life.
Isn't that right, Doggo? People up here for the 4.
America.
No towel?
How do you feel?
I feel so accomplished. I kind
Yeah.
of want to jump into it now.
Do it. Hey, doggo. What's up? Hey, how's the water? Feels good?
It feels so good.
Your friend, doggo.
Thanks.
Hey, go back over
Right
there.
shoe.
Doggo was helping you with your shoes.
I know. Did it.
Time for the hike down. We finished the waterfall. Now we gotta go back. bathing yourself.
I like the water.
All right, you good?
Do I have to cross this guy?
That's what I did. Be careful. You can jump off to. Yeah, jump off to your left whenever you can. Nice.
My hair looks like a bird's nest, but I feel super accomplished. It's exhausting, but so worth. Super worth.
We made it out! Woo! We made it, babe.
We did it!
So accomplished.
Super accomplished.
High five. That was horrible.
Lost my key in the jungle.
Oh my gosh.
Go back.
We have to go back to the waterfall.